When you first launch Rhino, you will see a small opening screen. Here, you will have quick access to recent files. But what will be more important is actually selecting a units template. To do so, click on the New tab. Then select the template. I recommend small objects inches. If you miss the opening screen, you can simply navigate to File in the top left corner. Click on New, then select Small Objects Inches. As a reminder, Rhino allows users to enter commands several ways. As a general aside, part of what makes Rhino awesome for advanced users, but really annoying for new users, is how you can accomplish the same task many different ways. As you continue to develop, you will find a particular flow that works best for you. In the meantime, I will try to point out some of the nuances while teaching you what I believe are the best practices. Since we are beginning with 2D drawing basics, we only really need the top plan view. Expand the view by double-clicking the viewport name in the top left corner of the viewport. You can start drawing a line by either entering the command line in the command line or by clicking its icon on the left side of the screen. I will eventually show you both, but let's start by typing the command as it is the most common and probably the fastest, most efficient way of doing so. You may actually start typing at any point. There is no need to place your cursor in the command line, so simply type line, then hit enter. Notice that the command line now prompts the user for an input. Rhino can actually be very intuitive and straightforward because the program is very good at telling you what to do next. Here in Bow, it is asking for start of line. You may provide an XYZ coordinate or simply click somewhere in the drawing space. Notice that after providing Rhino with a proper input, it will prompt you for the next, in this case, the end of the line. Again, either enter an XYZ coordinate or simply click somewhere in space. When entering an XYZ coordinate, be sure to use a comma in between coordinates, then hit enter to finish the command. Let's enter the line command again and explore some additional options. To repeat the last command you just entered, you may simply hit enter, spacebar, or right click. Now note that in parentheses are a number of secondary command options that provides a great deal of additional control and flexibility when drawing. You may click on one of the options or type in the corresponding underscore letter, then follow the prompts as directed. Keep in mind that some options will require additional drawing elements that we have not discussed yet. Using a command icon is mostly the same. Locate the line icon. Observe the difference between right-clicking and left-clicking. In this case, we will left-click for a polyline. Recognize that Rhino is again prompting for an input and also provides additional secondary commands in parentheses. This is essentially true for every command in Rhino. Get accustomed to this feature as it is incredibly helpful for learning and using the software. Begin practicing by exploring some of the different curve commands. Note that every line in Rhino is referred to as a curve. Most curve command icons are located near the top of the icons list. Practice selecting a command by using the left or right click. Remember, you may find additional features by left-clicking and holding the small triangle of the icon. As you practice, get comfortable with following the input prompts. Then try refining your control with the secondary options within each command's parentheses. Common curve commands are line, polyline, circle, rectangle, polygon, and arc. Take some time to really practice, as this process really lays the foundation for everything else moving forward.